Hi, watching Das Overa. This is Amarpal Singh before you. An FIR has been registered against Congress leader Inderjeet Indi for allegedly assaulting the laborer involved in the construction work. So, Inderjeet Indi, who is a close aide to the Bharat Bhushan Ashu as well as husband of a Congress councillor. So, today, Congress councillors they have gathered over here. They are objecting, they are raising objection against this FIR and they are claiming it to be a political vendetta. We are having with us Congress councillor Pankaj Sharma. Sir, how you see this FIR against Inderjeet Singh Indi?
How do you see it? Isn't it a vendetta? There is not a single complainant against Indi. I don't know. You can just read the FIR, and I would like to show it to the all the public. There is not a single name mentioned against Indi who is a complainant, neither from the corporation, neither from the contractor side. Khufia Sutra. What is a Khufia Sutra? You can see the situation of law and order in Punjab. Even Sidhu Moosewala was shot dead. I want to ask the government, ਉਦੋਂ ਖੁਫੀਆ ਸੂਤਰ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਸੀਗੇ? ਹੁਣ ਇਹ ਹਿੰਦੀ ਲਈ ਖੁਫੀਆ ਸੂਤਰ ਰਾਤ ਨੂੰ ਪੌਣੇ 1 ਵਜੇ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਖੁਫੀਆ ਸੂਤਰ ਹੈ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਕਮਿਸ਼ਨਰ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਪਲੀਜ਼ ਦੱਸਣ।
A video also went viral on the social media in which Indi is seen in the heated argument and raising some of the objection. So, how you see that is that video is some of the source or there is a source that police have taken action?
Brother, we are not denying it. We are not denying about the video. And that is what was not a slap. Okay? He just pushed him to stop it. They were provoking him from last 3 days. And what was so emergency? They had to come around 1:45 at night. ਦਿਨ ਚ ਕੰਮ ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ ਸੀਗਾ ਪੌਣੇ 1 ਵਜੇ ਉਹ ਕੀ ਕਰਨ ਆ ਰਹੇ ਹੈ ਇਹ ਜੌਬ ਐਸਡੀਓ ਤੇ ਜੇਈਜ਼ ਦਾ ਹੈ ਸਮਝੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਗੱਲ ਨੂੰ ਕੋ ਉਹ ਉੱਥੇ ਖੜਨ ਹੋਣ ਕਿ ਉਹ ਰੋਕਣ ਇਹ ਕੰਮ 12:30 ਵਜੇ ਕਾਉਂਸਲਰ ਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਿ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਉਹ ਗਲਤ ਕੰਮ ਨੂੰ ਰੋਕੇ ਸੋ ਅਗਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਫ ਯੂ ਆਰ that means there is a instruction by the ruling party ਕਿ opposition party ਦੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕਾਉਂਸਲਰਸ ਨੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਜਲੀਲ ਕਰਨਾ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਮੰਨਣੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਬੋਲੀ ਜਾਣ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਸੁਣਨੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ ਸੋ ਇਫ ਯੂ ਵਿਲ ਪ੍ਰੋਵੋਕ ਸਮਬਡੀ and anybody every human has a tendency ਉਹ ਕਦੀ ਆਪਣੇ ਪੇਸ਼ੈਂਸ ਖੋ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਮੈਂ ਸਮਰਥਨ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਦਾ ਬਟ ਸਰ ਵੱਡਾ ਦਿਲ ਰੱਖਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਹੈ ਮੰਤਰੀ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਪਹਿਲੀ ਗੱਲ ਤਾਂ 3-4 ਦਿਨ ਤੋਂ ਐਡਾ ਇਸ਼ੂ ਪੱਕਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ ਸੀ ਬੁਲਾ ਲੈਂਦੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਾਉਂਸਲਰ ਨੂੰ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਬੁਲਾਣਗੇ ਮੈਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਜਾਊਂਗਾ ਸਰ ਮੈਂ ਚਲੇ ਜਾਊਂਗਾ ਆਪਣੀ ਗ੍ਰੀਵੈਂਸ ਦੱਸੂੰਗਾ
Is there wrong sections in the FIR or what is the wrong in the FIR?
Obviously it's a wrong section 353 that is a non bailable section ਉਹ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਸਰਕਾਰੀ ਕੰਮ ਸਰਕਾਰੀ EMPLOYE ਇੱਥੇ ਤਾਂ ਪ੍ਰਾਈਵੇਟ ਕੰਟਰੈਕਟਰ ਹੈ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਨਾ ਜੀ ਔਰ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਵੱਡੀ ਗੱਲ ਦ ਬੇਸ is baseless. The base of the FIR is baseless. There is no complainant against Indi.
Now, how Congress leaders they are now moving forward in this case?
First of all, we are moving to the court. After that, apart from party line, maybe within a day or so, we'll be meeting the commissioner police. That this vendetta under political pressure is not good for the city and we'll take it headed on.
Right. Other opposition leaders they are also with you in this case?
Yeah, obviously you see the BJP councillors are here. I have told you the Akali Dal councillors were supposed to come but due to Mr. Sukhbir Badal is visiting the city today but they are supporting us.
So today, Congress councillors they have gathered over here along with the BJP councillors, and they are opposing this political vendetta, this FIR registered against Congress leader Inderjeet Indi. So they said that they will move to the court against this FIR, as well as they said that they will soon meet the Commissioner of Police regarding this. So we will keep updating you. Stay tuned to Daswera for more updates. Amarpal Singh with cameraman Sandeep Singh.